Today we received this in the post. It's a GEPRC Cinebot30. Haven't seen any reviews of this yet. Pretty lucky to have got it. I think they took about a week to deliver it, which was really impressive. I'm quite excited to get it. Don't think I'll be doing any flying anytime soon, but I think a basic unboxing is in order. There we go. Oh. Just as you would expect from GEPRC. Awesome packaging, shrink wrapped device, nice and neat. This one has got much more powerful motors than any of the other 3 and 2.5 inch models. 1804 as opposed to 1404 motors. It's got cob ultra bright LEDs integrated into the frame, came included. Oh, cool little antenna. I did opt for the Crossfire version. That's not quite your generic or your branded TBS Immortal T. That's some GEPRC, unless they've made some type of mistake and it's looks more like a ELRS antenna. I'll have to double check that. This is the DJI Vista version. This is the 4S version as well. I'll be unplugging it and taking a little look. Let's open this package. Wow, it's feeling really nice. I love this anti-jello pad they've got here. I use Insta360 Go 2, and if you don't have that, I find you get a lot of jello, and this eliminates 100% of it. Really nice. Feels really solid. I think this is also that P812 ultra hard molded plastic. Might need to get a spare of those in case, although I'm not planning on doing much crashing, but we'll see. What else do we get? It's a little manual, flight controller, F22. I think it's 45 amp all-in-one. Little carbon keyring. Those seem to stack up quite nicely. Battery strap. USB cable. They give you little adapters for naked GoPros, etc. Run straight off your balance lead, 4 and 6S. That's a nice one. Some screws. There's our props. A spare set of props because one's already installed. I believe those are the HQ prop T76mm 3-inch. Don't often see these installed. They generally use those is it the Gem Fan ones that are very sharp and noisy. I'm hoping these aren't as noisy. Battery pads, 2 of, and some extra screws and aerial covers which I never use. Cool, can't wait to get this puppy rocking. So I think what we need to do is just test what these lights look like. Yeah. Oh hell. Oh, that's impressive. Woo! Oh man. Definitely not your stealth copter, but entertaining. That could look great at night. See you coming from a mile away. I'm pretty sure these cobs can be disabled. I wonder how easy they'd be to turn off when you want to go by a little less noticed. I know if you buy the kit, which is available on GEPRC's site, you can buy it with or without that cob light. So I'll look into disabling it if I need to, but man, that looks good. The other thing I noticed is out of the box they've customed the tune on the ESCs. First time I've ever seen that, besides my old Vortex that came with the Darth Vader tune. Guess that's a Blue Jay thing. I'll have a look and see what they've put on the ESCs.